Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the valuations of goodwill as a method of goodwill, super profit method of goodwill. Now, understand the meaning of the super profit first, then calculate the super profit first and then apply on the goodwill. So as per the name is super profit, so it means before to calculate the goodwill there is a need to calculate super profit. First of all, try to understand the meaning of the super profit. The super profit means when a business organization earns profit more than the average profit or the actual profits. So when I'm talking about the super profit, I'm saying that when business is earning is more than the average profit over the few years. So that means super profit word is referring to the actual profits minus the normal profit. So the steps are to be taken here. The goodwill is to be calculated. The goodwill is to be calculated the super profit multiplied by the number of years purchased. So it means this is the simple aspect of calculating the goodwill. But I'm telling you the steps how to use for calculating the goodwill. Number one, first the student will calculate average profit if actual profit is not given. So it means if actual profit is given, take as a one's first step, or if it is not given, calculate average profit. Average profit is equivalent to total profit divided by number of years. Now second one is calculate normal profit. So the normal profit can be calculated the capital invested multiplied by the normal rate of return upon 100. It means the normal profit is to be calculated by using the formula. And the third step is related with the calculate the super profit. Super profit is equivalent to actual profits minus normal profit. As number 1 and 2 is calculated, then use this in the third number step for finding out the super profit. So actual profit, or you may say the average profit minus the normal profit. Then the answer will come as a method is applying super profit method. So first we have to calculate super profit. Now I am moving towards the goodwill. When a last step is fourth number step is calculate the goodwill by using the formula super profit multiplied by the number of years purchased. So it means the first calculate your calculation is standing on your super profit method, and the super profit is calculated and multiplied by the number of years purchased. None multiplied of the super profits is equivalent to goodwill. So I think it is clearly understandable to you how to apply the super profit method. Now come to the one example. If the one example is listed, normal rate of return is given 20% and the capital investment is given 10 lakh. Now you may have to observe here the first is first part topic is the net profit is given 2 lakh 30,000. It means our formula steps number 1 is identified actual profit 2 lakh 30,000 given in the question. Numbers 2, calculate normal profit means the 20% is to be applied on the 10 lakh. Means the capital investment multiplied by the normal rate. Then answer is 2 lakh. Now the super profit how to calculate now? Actual profit minus normal profit. The answer is 30 lakh. Now you may apply as per the condition the calculations of the goodwill if given means the super profit multiplied by the number of years purchased. It will be mentioned in the question how many number of years purchased. So this will be the systems to calculate the goodwill through the super profit method. Thank you.